In this video, we're going to take a look at multiplying two polynomials together, and we're going to look specifically at the method of FOIL. So there are multiple methods of multiplying polynomials. Whatever works for you is probably going to be best. This one is called FOIL. It is specific to two binomials being multiplied together, but we can expand it to solve for any combination of polynomials being multiplied together. Now, when we are doing something like this, we are going to follow, like I said, the acronym FOIL. FOIL is going to help us to remember which pieces we need to multiply together first and out and in the middle and then at the end as well to come up with our final answer. So the F in FOIL represents first. While in our two polynomials, we're going to take a look what is our first term. And in this case, it is x times x. And when we multiply x times x together, we get x squared. The O represents the outside. So in our two polynomials, we have kind of an inside piece and we have outside. So our outside ones are x and 2. And when we multiply them together, we have 2x. The I represents inside. And so the inside are these two on the inside, -3 and x, and that gives us -3x. And finally, the L represents the last two. So the last two on here are -3 and +2, which when we multiply gives us -6. At this point, we now have four pieces that we have come up with, okay, through multiplication. Now, those four pieces can be put into a polynomial, but first we should really look and see, do we have any like terms? Sure enough, these two right here are like. 2x and -3x are like terms. We will combine them together. So 2x and -3x give us -1x or -x. Then we have our x squared and our constant term. And so our final polynomial is x squared minus x minus 6. And you can use FOIL for any size polynomials. Binomials tend to be easier, but it's just a reminder that each term from the first polynomial needs to be multiplied to each term in the second polynomial. And then we combine all of our like terms and put it together into a simplified polynomial at the end.